Germany, UK, and US indices have posted a very good recovery yesterday, precisely from the support levels as we have discussed. Like for Germany, I had mentioned 17,650, zone. For FTSE 100, 7620, 7600. For US 100 towards 17,900, 800 zone. And for Dow Jones 3500 levels. Yes, very strong recovery seen from the same levels. I hope you all profited. Now, important day today. The CPI data coming in from specifically US will definitely add on to the volatility and how to make the most out of it. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the important data release and before the US session. Do watch that as well. Thus, subscribe and press the bell to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and do join the channel memberships in order to support the effort. Let's start first DAX followed with UK and in the end US indices. Watch till the end. Do like, share and comment friends before leaving the video. Now look at the hourly charts. You can see rise, retracement and see the flag formation here. It is trying to bounce back again. First thing is we can look forward to 17,900 levels, which appears an achievable target today for DAX. And once it stays beyond 17,860, and see there is a pivot level available at around 17,875. So yes, in between 860 and 880 zone is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, we can look forward to 900. The greater resistance is available there. Beyond 900 is where the bulls will take over completely. See the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with bullishness, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, see there is a slight gap available here. Yes, it is open with a gap up and it has continued to trade bullish, looking upwards here. We have to be very careful in between 17,860, 880 zone and then 900. If these three levels are taken, consider that DAX has reversed and it is going to fly high. How high? We can look forward to 18,000 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour charts, similar is the observation here on the 3-hour charts. Look at the candles here. See, every candle is trying to close at the top and the body size is increasing, suggestive of bullishness. So yes, possible that it can achieve 17,860, 880. However, we have to be very attentive at 17,900 and beyond 17,900 is where the bulls might try to lift the prices a little up towards 17,940, 960 as the first target, and then 18,000 levels is a must. You can see very good consolidation is seen here, very good base is formed before it is bounced back, and this retracement is done trying to look upwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over, trying to diverge and trying to stay bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour, look at 4-hour charts, reversal sign, and post the reversal, we have seen it rising here. So yes, it is still having little bullishness left. It can still continue to deliver higher highs here. Be watchful with DAX. We can in fact look forward to 940, 960 zone as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over first greener candle. It can continue to deliver more. RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. A preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and a flat closing at the top. This candle is started on the rise here. If you see it is staying beyond 17,860, 880, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 17,900, 940 zone on the upside, which is going to be the first resistance. And beyond that, this time we can look forward to a breakout towards 18,000. So that is the only there is a probable entry on the buy side you can take here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is near to overbought. Now see, MACD has still scope for it to rise. You can see this, and it can continue to do so. RSI is overbought as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 17,860, 880 zone and sell at 17,800. Now see, if you're selling at 17,800, why 17,800 and why selling is important there? See, this is the support zone which it may try to hit. That is at around 17,750, 760. So if you're selling at 17,800, remember 17,750, 760 is going to be the first support, and then 17,710, 720 levels will be seen, the strongest support for the day. Any drop below 17,710, 720 should be a sign of bearishness, and then it can continue to drop. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 17,860, 880 and then 17,800. For the 60, 80 points, do not trade. On the upside, be very careful at around 17,900 and then 940 zone. Beyond that, sky the limit. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE. Now see, UK 100 today has breached the first resistance zone at 7700. Yes, it has come out of it. It has moved now towards 7720, 7725. This is the first and strongest resistance above 7700 levels. Beyond this, 7750 is the next target. Staying above this, 7800 is a must. But right now, if you look at, see, After retracing here, it has given a breakout, it has reversed here. Moving averages have also crossed over, certainly signs of bullishness. Now 7690, which was earlier the resistance, is now going to be the support here for FTSE 100. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation is, you can see it is formed a bigger candle, size is increasing, suggestive that the bullishness is also still available and it can continue with the rise. You have to be very careful at around 7735, 7760 zone, the first resistance zone. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly signs of bullishness, but the prices are also divergent from the moving average. It calls for it to converge. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. Rising candle size is suggestive of bullishness. And yes, it is up. It appears that it is willing to form a double top at least towards 7750. Stochastic overbought here, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Everything is suggestive of bullishness as of now on the various time frames. See, I have mentioned yesterday and day before yesterday, and my weekly review is for, well, double bottom, higher lows. So higher lows means higher highs. So it can try to move towards 7750. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now, if you look at daily charts, see, the day started, the preceding candle closed at the flat note on a bullish note, and this candle started with the rise here. It has already achieved slightly higher highs. So if you see, it is staying above 7725. When the lower prices stays above 7725, you can buy for 773540 as the first target, 775060 as the next target. Any move beyond this, just stay bullish in FTSE 100. We are looking forward to 7800. Now look at the movement here, rise, retracement, consolidation, and if it breaks out beyond 7750, certainly 775060 breaking beyond which, certainly it is going to stay bullish towards 7800. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here for buy, RSI rising. Considering this, buy at 7725 and sell it. See where you can sell. You can sell here at 715, but then you have to be very cautious towards 7705, 7700 as the first resistance zone, and then 7680 as the next. If it draws below 7680, consider that it is trying to reverse, and we can look forward to 7650, 7640 as the next support zone. Chances for a complete reversal appears to be less. Just take your trades accordingly. On the sell side, you should be cautious. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. And before we look into Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Yes, do join the mentorship batch in order to equip yourself with the key tools, concepts, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and key trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Do not miss this opportunity. Invest in your learning, which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. Reach out to me for details. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence, which offers a step-free account with lowest spreads, you can find the link in the description, channel and video description. And yes, you can, if you join through the link, definitely you'll get lowest spreads. So do join this. Let's start now with Tech. See, Tech 100 here, first of all, it is coming out of this bearish channel. It is giving a breakout. It suggests that there is bullishness left. And if it stays above, see, right now it is looking upwards. See, preceding candle also delivering a flat closing and trying to rise here. So possibly I will look forward to 18080, 18100 levels as the first resistance zone. Beyond 18080, 18100, I will be looking forward to 18150. And if it stays above 18150, just stay bullish. In Tech 100, we are looking forward to a stronger rise. Stochastic rising, it is back to overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart. See, another way to look at it here is, see, it has delivered lower lows. Prices were divergent from the 20-50-100 period moving average. It has converged. Thus, it is very important for now for it to stay above 18800, 18080, 18100 levels in order to confirm the rise and a reversal. The stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour. Similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See, lower lows breaking out this channel, staying upwards. It has approached towards the 20 and 50-100 period moving average. And yes, the next is towards the median. So 18100 definitely appears achievable. And beyond that, we can look forward to 18150 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD trying to converge, crossover for buy. RSI rising. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, I think it is going to deliver higher highs here. See this candle, what is the size of this candle? almost here 70 points, and if you count 70 points from here, it can possibly take it till towards 18100 levels. So yes, these are definitely achievable. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI rising. Coming to daily, look at daily charts. See, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. It is continuing on the upside. Once it breaks beyond 18100, remember this is reversal signs here. Once it stays beyond 18100, the chances of a complete reversal will be very less, and then I will look forward to 18150 and 18250 levels today itself. In fact, it can achieve higher highs. See, if you look at the movement in Tech 100, it is always taking the support from the 20 period and trying to bounce back. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy 18080 levels, but then 18100 110 you should be watchful of. Then 18140 150 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish in US 100. We are looking forward to a massive rise which can lead towards 18240 levels and beyond. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only below 18020, where we can expect it to drop towards 17970 940, and below that it can turn bearish towards 17900 and lower levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at down. See, US30 appears to be reversing here. It is a delivered lower highs, lower lows, and it is just trying to break out. Now on the downside, support levels at 38, 780, 750 is very strong. Any point of time, if you see it is staying below 38, 780, that is the only point of time I will recommend you to sell towards 38, 740, 750 as the first targets and 38, 700 as the next. Else it is still staying bullish. I am looking forward to 38, 920. In fact, 39,000 levels cannot be denied and higher highs can be expected. Stochastic rising here, MACD is also bullish here, RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, it is forming a very good recovery. It is breached this channel. It appears it is going to deliver higher highs, which can take it in fact above 39,000 levels. The stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI rising. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, continuing with the rise here. And yes, if you look at the support levels on the downside, 38,600, none of the candles closed below 38,600. So even if it drops below 38,700, you can find it getting strongest support at 38,600 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here. And on the now look at the daily chart. See, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and a greener body. This candle started on the upside. I will be looking forward for it to break beyond 38, 850, 860 zone first resistance, and then we can look forward to 950, 960. Almost 100 points will be delivered here. And now look at the lower highs here. So yes, the resistance here at 880, 900 is something also you should watch. So those who are buying here, just watch out for this channel here. Any breach beyond this channel, any breach beyond 38, 900 and 960 zone is where the bulls will be waiting, and it can lead to a stronger rise here. Be careful here. And once it breaks beyond 38, 969, 39,000 levels, consider that it is reversing and a stronger rise can be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 38,860. Expect it to move towards 38,900, 38,960 zone, and then if it stays above 39,000 zone, you can say that it is turning bullish. We are looking forward to 39,100, 39,200 levels as well. Remember, this breakout can be a stronger one. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 38,780. So do not trade between 780 and 860 at least. Below 780, be careful at around 740, 750. First target 700 the next. And it is only below 38, 700 you can treat US30 as bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch the next update before the CPI data release. That is going to be an important one. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session. Thank you.